In this video, I will show you how you can sync the notes on your iPhone to your iPad. But before we start, just make sure that you're signed into with the same Apple ID on both devices. Now to start, first of all, on your iPhone, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just scroll down and tap on iCloud. And on this page, just tap on See All in front of Save to iCloud. Now just scroll down and look for the Notes app. Now after you do that, now just make sure you enable Sync this iPhone. After you enable this feature, you will sync the data from your Notes app to your iCloud. Now for the next step, on your iPad, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on See All in front of Save to iCloud. On this page, just tap on Notes and make sure you enable the toggle for Notes from here. After you enable this toggle, you will sync all the data of the Notes app which are saved in the iCloud to your iPad. And this is how you can sync the notes from your iPhone to your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.